Hello everyone, welcome. So in this video we are going to talk about one more important property of expectation, that is linearity. Let's suppose we have a random variable x, and let's suppose we have another random variable y, and this another random variable y is a function of this random variable x, and the function is linear. So let me also define this gx. So this gx is a linear function. So it is a kind of function where what it is doing, it is multiplying some constant to our original random variable x and adding some other constant also. Now if I ask you that what will be the expected value of this random variable y, so you can simply make use of the expected value rule that we have gone through in our last video. So if we want to find the expected value of a function, right, we can make use of this. So this y is a function of x, so what we want to find is this expected value of this random variable y. So we are making use of the expected value rule, so that is nothing but summation over gx times probabilities. We can simply put gx, so gx is nothing but ax plus b times this probability. We can separate the summation, so that will be ax times this probability plus summation over x b times the probabilities. Now if you look at this term, so b is constant, so b will be outside, and what we are doing here, we are summing all the possible value of x. We are summing the probabilities for all the possible value of x. What will be this summation? That will be 1, right, from our basic axioms, because whatever the possible outcome we have, we are summing over all those, we are summing all the probabilities of those outcome, so that will be 1, right? So basically that will be b into 1, that will be b. And what is this? So you can write this a as outside, and this is nothing but the expected value of x. So this is expected value of x. So what we have found is the expectation of this y is equal to a times the expected value of x plus b. Now look at our function. So what this linear function is doing, it is multiplying x, it is multiplying a to random variable, and it is adding some constant, right? And this y is a function of this x, right? And what we have found the expected value of y, and if we try to look at this expected value of y, what is happening here, same effect is going on also on the expectation. So we will have this expectation of x, and it is getting multiplied by a, right? Same effect, the random variable is getting multiplied by a, so their expectation is also getting multiplied by a, and we have also added here some constant, that is b, and in the expectation we need to also add some constant b, same constant b, right? So this is what the linearity of expectation. If our function is linear, then the same effect will be also on our expectation, the same effect will be also there, right? So overall what we can say for this particular kind of case where we have a random variable y, and that is a function of some other random variable, and this function is a linear function, then what we can say, you have this random variable x, you have this random variable y, or you can say y is equals to gx, so both are same thing. You find the expectation of this y, or you find the expectation of original random variable x and then apply the function. Both thing will be equal. So this is true only for linear function. If we have this function some other non-linear function, then this equality will not hold. So same thing what I have explained here. So what we are doing here, either you calculate the expected value of y, or you just calculate the expected value of x, or carry out the same effect that gx is doing. You calculate the expected value of x, multiply with a and add the b. How we have defined this linear function. So both way, if you do both way, both will be equal, right? So you just either find the expected value of y, this is the procedure, or if you see that the function is linear, what you can do, you do not need to carry out all this process. You see this function is linear and it is multiplying a to this random variable x, so expectation will also get multiplied by a, and we are adding b, then expectation will also get we will be adding some other some value b to the expectation also. This way we can find the expected value of this random variable y. So this is the linearity property of the expectation. We will do problems on expectation now in next video. Whatever we have seen regarding the expectation, how to find the expectation based on the properties of expectation, we will do few problems.